Let's represent this situation using the number line with points A, B, and C, where A represents her position when she is at her house, and B is the point when she is 18 miles away from her house, and C is the point when she is 34 miles away from her house. So basically, AB is the distance she traveled in the within the 2 hours. So in the first 2 hours, she traveled about 18 miles, and when she's at another point C, that is, she traveled about 34 miles, and for this she took about 4 hours. So we can easily determine that in the last 2 hours, that is, the BC is the segment which represents the duration that she took. So she took about 2 hours to travel this distance. Since this total distance, that is AC equals 34 miles, we can determine BC. BC equals AC minus of AB. So this gives AC equals 34 minus of AB equals 18. So therefore this gives 16 miles. So we know that in the last 2 hours she traveled about 16 miles. So now we can find Amanda's rate over the last 2 hours. So therefore her rate over the last 2 hours equals distance traveled over time taken. So I put this as distance over time. So she traveled about 16 miles in the last 2 hours, and she took 2 hours. So therefore the rate becomes, we can cancel this 16 with the 2, and this becomes 8. So it is 8 miles per hour, or we can write down like this. So therefore Amanda's rate over the last 2 hours is 8 miles per hour. And this is also written as 8 miles per hour, or mph.